Hello, so for our project today, we are going to be editing, screenshotting, and saving the book covers for your English project. To do so, you will first have to look up whatever book covers you want. You're going to need 9 of them. So I already have mine saved in my computer, but I will show you how to do so. I looked up just famous children's books. You can look up your favorite ones, whatever ones you want. I will scroll down and find one that I like. We'll go with an old lady who swallowed a fly. You save the image as, and I already have a book covers folder on my computer, so I'll save this as book 11. You save it, and then it'll download into my book covers folder right here with all of my pictures that I have saved. And then we're going to go to the iPicky website, which is free for you guys. You're going to add your images. You're going to upload them. And then from the desktop, where my book covers are, we'll go here. And then you can choose whatever ones you want. There's one. Might take a while, so you'll have to upload them. I chose to do 9, but you guys only have to do 4, so you can do as many as you want. These were just some of my favorite books. You can choose books that are more like chapter books. You can choose children's books, whatever you decide. And then we'll upload the 11th one, even though I don't need all of them. And then we're just going to drag them over. There's 1, 2, we'll just edit them a little bit. We'll go to this one. And it may kick you out, so you'll just have to look and then scroll down a little bit to get the rest. And then you'll save it. And it'll save right to your computer. Right there. And then as long as you guys bring your computers to class, you will be all set. I hope this was easy enough for you and that if you have any difficulties, please do not hesitate to reach out. There you have it. Have a good day.